Hi everyone and welcome to DIY with Nadia. A company by the name of BeeBeeCrafts contacted me and let me choose a few things from their website. They very graciously sent it to me and I want to show you what I got. Stay tuned. So before we get into this, I will link their website down below because their selection is insane. Literally, you guys. They have beads, they have rhinestones, they have just an array of just different, some glam things, some neutral things, just array of things for crafters. All right. So it's quite a large packaging and they packaged everything really nicely. And I didn't realize it was going to be a big box. I expected in my head, I guess when I gave them what I wanted, I thought it was going to be just little. I don't know what the heck is so big in here. Wow. Maybe it's big quantities. I'm not sure. So I ordered these things and these are basically threads I thought I could use to decorate because they have black, brown, white, gray, and red. As you can see, white, gray, red, and then black and brown. And let me show you so you see what I'm talking about. And they're like the ones you could do bracelets with or, so they're just kind of thread like that, they're thick. So I thought I can use them maybe for ornaments. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, this is very nice. I just didn't realize it's gonna be so much. I thought it was just gonna be little pieces, but yeah, this is really cool. So the next thing I got is something I absolutely love to work with, and it's these beads, these wooden beads, and I believe these are 10 millimeter. And so everything came really, really secure. Let me tell you guys, I mean, there's bubble wrap everywhere. So I got these, and then these go from, I want to say 4 to 10 millimeters. So they have like 4 millimeters, looks like 5, 8, and 10. As you can see, there's different sizes in there. And then here's the 10 millimeter ones, and they have a few of those at the bottom. So this is just a different variety of things. And then the last thing I got, this is what I did not expect to be so big. And I have some ideas for these. Are these different sizes? Oh my goodness. It's rings. The only thing is one of the rings broke. Not that a little glue can't fix that. Very simple. Because they vacuum sealed this, you guys. Look at this. It's vacuum sealed. This is so cool. I've never seen packaging for beading like this. This is really, really amazing. So kudos to BeeBeeCrafts for amazing packaging. Very cool. I cannot wait to do stuff with this. I have some ideas. All right, you guys. I think that's it for me. Really tiny haul, but very exciting haul because I did get some goodies. And as I said before, thank you so much for BeeBeeCraft for working with me because this is absolutely incredible. By the way, the quantity, this is one box. There's 50 pieces of these. There's 50 pieces of these, and there's 20 of these. And then the rest was like a set. So that is pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, you guys, that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up. That does help my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.